Are you a business owner looking to build a local brand that people love and are loyal to? Are you frustrated with negative online reviews harming your hard-earned credibility? It's easier than ever for a customer to leave a review for the whole online world to see, but these reviews are not always positive. Even one negative post, if left unanswered, can drastically decrease your sales and badly affect your long-term bottom line. You need someone at your back to monitor, improve, and maintain your online reputation. That's why we're here to help. With a team of experienced reputation managers, we're confident that we can help you turn online reviews into a profitable marketing channel. We will work persistently to monitor your online presence, increase positive reviews, and solve reputation problems so that you can be proud of your brand. A good online reputation will naturally attract new customers to your business. Contact us today to see how we can make that happen.